Your home is not in her.
Okay ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig by Janet Collection and the name of the wig is Alice and I have it in a 1B. So this is the wig and this is how it looks on the model. Okay ladies, so Miss Alice, as you can see, as I said, I have her in a 1B. She has two combs in the front, one closer to the parting area, and she doesn't come with a comb in the back, and she has two adjustable straps. This is a unit on with just the curls and everything, and that bang in the front. This is just it, not combed out. It's actually pretty long. I'm going to try to, it's pretty long. Okay ladies, so what I'm doing is just plucking the hairs out of the part. I'm just using my normal technique to go in and just pluck the hairs out. The part comes pretty clean, but I wanted it a little bit more defined, so that's why I went ahead and I plucked it. After I plucked it, I think it came out pretty well. You can see it and it looks really, you know, really good. And it made the wig look very, very natural. So after I pluck the part, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. This comes with hard lace. I will make sure that I mention that. I'm not sure if I already have, but it comes with hard lace, and I know that's a con for some people, but it's not really a con for me. So once I cut off the hard lace, I am going to go in and put a little bit of powder underneath the parting area, and the powder that I'm using today is going to be the Revolution powder that I have. So I'm going to put that underneath, and after I put that underneath, I think that made the part look excellent. It totally matched my skin, and I was very satisfied with the parting area. So after I got the parting area how I wanted it, I pretty much went in and got it situated. Now, I'm not in love with this wig, so we'll get into that after I style it. But the style, I just wasn't really feeling it. So what I did was I went in and I began to comb out some of the curls just to kind of give it a more tousled look and maybe a more like a body wave look instead of just having those candy curl look. I didn't like that look. I didn't like the uniformity of the curls. I think that it just looked I don't know, fake. But so that's what I did. Another thing I did not like is the bang, and y'all know I love a bang. I am always here for a good bang, but I just felt the bang didn't go with the style, so I did take a bobby pin and I pinned the bang back just to get it out of the way. So I'll come back to you ladies at the end with my final thoughts on Miss Allison. Okay, so this is a final look for Miss Alice, and I'll tell you that you do have to put in a little bit of work with her. And I'm being careful with my words, because she's not one that I would say you need to run out and get her. You need her in your life. Not the case. I'm going to go through the cons. The cons to me is that, one, the hair is super long, and that's going to be a con for some people. Usually long hair isn't a problem for me, but I think this hair will become a matted mess like really quick. So I'm going to put that as a con. Another con to me is this bang in the front. Y'all know I love a bang, so this is the first time you'll probably hear me say this. But this bang, the way it goes into this wave, I had to really put some work in, because I was trying to get it to look like the model. And I think I achieved the look, but I'm not feeling it. I would definitely have to freeze it in place there or something like that. I will give it to him. I was able to get the look that the model had after brushing out the curls. The second thing is these curls. These curls are pretty, but they're not going to last. Like, they're going to tangle. It's going to get fuzzy. As you probably can see, it's probably growing fuzz on me right now. It's not going to last. So that's another thing. The tangling, and then the frizzing, and then the parting area. The parting area, you get plenty of it, but you definitely do got to go in and pluck that and make that your own. As y'all saw, I did pluck it. I did put some powder underneath to kind of blend it in. After that, it was okay. Now, I didn't do anything with the edges, and And you know, usually you do that, it makes it look a little bit better. For just the purpose of the video, I didn't do the edges. You could do that and see if you could do and get a better look. But I would just rock it pretty much if I wore it like this. Other thing is the hair, although it's long, it's thin. I don't know if you can see through it. If it was a different color, that's why I will say something about it being thin. When it's a 1 or 1B or 2 or even a 4, a lot of times you can't see through it. But then if you get it in like a 613 or 99J or any kind of light color, you can see through it because it seems like it may be thin. Now, I'm not sure. I'm just saying that in case you was about to run out and jump on Alice right now. I'm just saying. Otherwise, I'll get into a couple of pros. A couple of pros, I guess, is that you do get good length on this. I'm not sure the price. I will have to look it up. You do get good length on it. Now, if you took your time and you went through, you could get like a bushy look with this and kind of get a nice wave. You would have to take your time. That will take away from the lifetime, or I'm going to say lifetime, the longevity of the unit, because once you start to brush it out, although the hair texture is soft, I just think it's not going to last long. I think it's going to matte. So you could brush it out to give it a little bit of a better look, but then like I said, I think it's going to matte. So I think the positives of it is you could get a different look. Another positive of this hair is that I think you get a bomb ponytail. Like you can pull that back, get your edges right, pull this side back, and I think you could get a really, really cute ponytail out of this. It'll be nice and long if you know, if you like wearing your hair like that. Some people like wearing long ponytails, so it will give you like a nice long ponytail. Other than that, I don't really have much positive to say about Alice. I think that depending on the price, you know, she'll be a pass because you could find something better. I think if she's the type of wig that you don't have your hair done, you go into the hair store, they about to close, and you like, I got to go out tonight. I really need to go out and get my life tonight. So you run in and you pick Alice up and you grab her, snatch her off the mannequin head, and you take her home. You brush her out, you work with her, and you wear her one night and you put her away. She is a one-night stand wig. Yeah, I said it, a one-night stand. But she will serve the purpose and she will get you through. And depending on your outfit, girl, and your makeup, you'll be bomb. That's the way I feel about Alice. So I try not to give anything a down, but I'm trying to give you a scenario in which you may need to use her. So if you walk into the beauty supply store and that is your case, that's what happened to you, then pick up Alice. Otherwise, I wouldn't go out and buy it because I just think that it's not going to last unless you're looking for something like this. So you know you're going to get the truth from me. You're going to always get the real. So that's the tea. If you ladies have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. For all my returning subscribers, hey girl, hey. Please continue to share my videos. And for those of you who have not subscribed, hit that subscription button. Also hit the bell next to it and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you do decide to share this on your social media, please tag me in it. As you ladies know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you in my next video. Thanks again. Bye.